In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to be offline in Slack. If you're like most people who use Slack regularly, you probably enjoy the access it provides to your teams and projects in real time. However, there might be times when you just want to be offline or appear a way to focus on a task or simply take a break without missing out on important updates. To start, make sure you're logged into your Slack account either through your preferred browser or the desktop app. Now, let's navigate to the key areas within Slack that are integral for this quick process of appearing offline. First, you want to head to the bottom left of your Slack interface. Here, you'll notice your profile picture and name. This is the area where you can manage your online presence or status within the platform. Clicking on your profile should open up a small window or drop down with several options related to your Slack settings. Next, look for the option labeled Set Yourself as Away. This is the crucial action you'll need to take in order to appear offline to others. By clicking this option, you set your status to Away. This simple but effective option helps you manage your availability without completely logging out. Keep in mind that when you set yourself as Away, your profile will show a gray circle indicating your offline status. It's a swift way to signal to others that you aren't currently available for immediate responses. Now, let's talk about why you might want to use this feature. Sometimes the continuous notifications can be distracting, particularly if you're working on tasks that require deep focus. Setting your Slack status to Away can help create a virtual boundary, allowing you to concentrate without interruptions. It's also a polite way to manage expectations with your colleagues, signaling that while you're technically online, you're not ready to engage at that time. Additionally, using the offline status can help maintain a better work-life balance. If you're stepping away from your computer for a break or at the end of your workday, marking yourself as Away ensures that any messages received will be there when you're ready to return, without creating a false sense of urgency for those trying to reach you. And there you have it, a straightforward method to manage your online presence in Slack by appearing offline. This little trick can make a big difference in managing your time and maintaining focus. Thanks for following along today. Remember to check out our other helpful videos on managing your Slack and improving your work productivity. See you in the next one.